Taxes was feeling so stuck. Now Taxes is having a TurboTax expert who does your taxes from start to finish. While you check in anytime and get the most money back on your time. Now this is Taxes.
Enjoy the next 30 minutes of uninterrupted listening.
Ice cold, used eco-friendly light bulbs.
Rode his bicycle to work when the gasoline price rose. He'd judge with no pretense, fish on the weekends. Each morning get up, do the pledge of allegiance. Never swim in the ocean for fear of shark attacks. By more to get his wife a rose with a card attached. Avoiding all the little things that were hard to ask. Had a car crash, cardiac arrest, out of a heart attack.
Golden escalator, all his friends and neighbors huddled there in prayer around the respirator.
Catch you later, I'm off to see the man upstairs. They all look like ants from here, stores and crystal chandeliers.
There was an angel at the entrance, checking off a guest list. Charlie wasn't on it and was ushered to the exits.
sign, but sounded like an adventure. Fall beyond the halos and the castles and the clouds. Fatso squealing, shackled with some apples in their mouth. Attention whores and padded drawers hanging from extension cords, tortured with the products from the favorite catalog. Here we buy and sell a million kinds of hell. Imagination is the limit to the devil's clientele. Up a dingy elevator, no televised debate will save you, saves you from the hell you pay for. Sorry, but they smell you later. Sidestep fates, went right for the gates, but you know the devil, he loves a good chase.
There was a demon at the entrance, making X's on a checklist, who would kick you in the ass when you begged them for repentance. Those tempted by the senses with the cruelest of intentions. Charlie's heart sank, he was breathless. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before,
Screaming at the demons while they pushed them through the door.
excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before.
Screaming at the demons while they pushed them through the door.
You can run from your demons until you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and find out what they want. Keep on running from those demons until you are exhausted. You can run to those angels till you are exhausted. One day you will have to stop and question what they want. Keep on running to those angels till you are exhausted. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before. Excuse me, sir, there must be someone you've confused me for. If I could see someone who knew me or someone in uniform, I really don't belong here. I know you've heard the tune before.
Won't you be my prom queen? In the morning, won't you be my prom queen? Everybody has a real good time. Won't you be my prom queen? It's time for my senior prom. Won't you be my prom queen? Everybody has a real good time. In the morning, I must get up and go to school. I'm taking too long getting dressed, trying to look my best. Because today is not your ordinary every morning. My high school prom is coming up, I hate my daddy's warning. I'm gonna find myself a girl to take to the prom. I shouldn't have too much trouble because I'm very nice. My mother says I'm very handsome when I wear my good vest, and mother knows best. I got to school, I straggle through the hallways. I stop and gaze at all the girls just like always. But this time I must now approach them, or my daddy might get mad and break my wrist again. And so I choose her, her hair it matches with her face. She is so lovely, my heart pulse begin to race. I make my way between her friends into her presence. Hello Christine, would you be my prom queen? There was a time when I could accept the no. That was before Christina's gonna have to go. My parents will be proud of me when I bring her home. So now I sit and watch her practice in the gym dome. Christina's famous, she has so many different friends. Will they miss her when she's dead, or will they just pretend? Nobody talks to me, I only talk to I. And I've been telling myself all day, she's gotta die.
Good morning, everybody. This is Principal Rogers, and I would just like to congratulate our senior class and wish them a great time at tonight's prom dance.
Won't you be my prom queen? I can be a prom queen. Won't you be my prom queen? I can be a prom queen. Won't you be my prom queen? I can guess I'll never have to tell her. I took the bottles up to Maya's $4 worth. I took the $17 that was in her purse. I bought balloons and streamers and stuff to munch. I had $1 left. I bought a Faygo punch. I hung the streamers and balloons on my basement wall. I banged my head a couple times, I'm just too fucking tall. I would have took her to the school like a normal man, but I had to kill her first, they'd never understand. I put a record on and then I picked her up to dance. I'm free, she cannot feel the woody growing in my pants. I know my daddy will be proud of all that I've done. Instead of burning me, he'll probably come and hug his son. I think about it as I dance slowly to the beat. The more I think about it, tears are rolling down my cheek. I hope that I show Christine a night like no other, cause after all, that's how my daddy did my mother.
Our seniors deserve a night to celebrate with friends and celebrate all their great work. Prom night is your very own special night.